the leche flan, we need 10 egg yolks, 1 can condensed milk, 1 can evaporated milk, 1 and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 to 1/2 cup of sugar, depending on your taste. To begin, break the egg yolks using a wire whisk. Add condensed milk, and mix until well combined. Add evaporated milk and vanilla. Mix until the mixture is well incorporated, but don't overmix. And now strain our mixture 3 to 4 times to have a smooth texture. For caramel, put 1 tablespoon of sugar in each granera and cook in low fire until sugar is melted, just like this. And now for 1/2 to 3/4 cup of leche flan mixture in each granera. And cover with foil to avoid water coming into our leche flan. And we're set and ready to steam for about 1.5 to 1:45 minutes. For Graham float in medium speed, beat chilled all-purpose cream until it doubles its size, and then gradually add condensed milk and when the mixture is glossy, it's all set. Put some cream in the container and layered with graham crackers. Then add some cream. And layered with graham crackers and more cream, just enough to cover the grahams. And now put the leche flan on top. Add some more cream on the sides, just enough to fill the container. And that's it, our Graham de Leche.